Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do is how to download Java to your computer and how to install it to correctly to your computer. So first you need to download Java setup for your computer or PC or laptop, whatever. So to download Java, you need to type in your Google or Google. So type this. Don't type Java downloads because that's not correct. You need to type JDK download. That's you can see JDK download and hit enter, and you can see the first link to Oracle Java downloads. So you need to go to this link. Okay, and in down there you can see Java 20 and Java 17 available for us. And because Java 20 is newest version, I am going to download Java 20 JDK 20. You can choose your OS, Linux, Mac or Windows, because I am going to download Windows because I am using Windows. So for Windows, you need to download x64 MSI installer for your PC, and you need to click this link, and you can see download will start. I am not going to download because I have downloaded this setup before. So as you can see, there is JDK download 20 Windows, and you need to double click this setup. This message showing because I have already downloaded my Java to this PC, and I am going to yes this, but you don't get this message. Okay, so and click yes to this, and it's going to install. Get the setup, and for this click next. If you want to click next to it, and our click yes to this message also, and our Java is download installing. And our Java is completed installed, and let's see Java is correctly installed our PC. For before that, you need to go this C and program file and Java and JDK 20 and Win, and click your mouse in this area and copy this path and go to this PC, and right click on this PC, go to properties. In the properties, go to look at the left hand right and go to advanced system setting, and in the advanced system setting go to environment variables. In the environment variables, choose path and go to edit click the new and paste your thing copied path there. Okay, as you can see I am done it already. You can copy it and hit enter and press OK. Okay, now and then next is go to user variables and select path and edit just like earlier. Paste the copied path and For this one, delete this B will and click OK for that. Okay. Then click OK and click OK to this system properties window and close this window and this window, and next thing you go to search bar and type CMD and you can see we are getting command prompt. Click on the command prompt. In the command prompt you need to type Java space dash dash version and hit enter. As you can see Java 20 and our version, and there is showing our version. If you hold the Java setup correctly, you can see this part. So, and you need to correctly put your path also. If path is not corrected, this is not shown. So that's how we install Java to our Windows 10. Okay, thank you guys.